Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Daily Tip with Asma. Today we will tell you what is the meaning of Robinson. Robinson is one of the boys' names. Robinson is the Christian name. The origin of the name of Robinson is of English origin. 8 is the lucky number for Robinson name boys. According to experts, boys named Robinson are very hard workers. Robinson name meaning is son of Robert. Lucky days for the people with name Robinson include Sunday and Tuesday. Red and violet colors are suitable for Robinson. Emerald is the lucky stone for Robinson name boys. Lucky metals include copper and iron by number. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.